Go.
All right, so there you go. Here's the 2 cardamom seeds. I can't believe I'm doing this. I did this for 100k likes. Here's the first one. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. That is awful.
I'm gonna get that face.
So strong as well. It's so strong. Alright, and here's number 2, guys, for you guys.
It's healthy for you, man.
Ya Allah.
Look at that face. It's healthy for you.
That is not nice.
It's good for your.
Oh my god.
It's good for your
The
health.
things you guys got me doing. Oh my god, that is oh. Oh my god.